Hi guys, this is Faye from Feisworld. Real quick here, I noticed there's a beta feature just introduced to the latest version of Zoom as I'm recording this August 16th, and it's called Clips. So Zoom Clips. Look, record yourself and your screen to create a clip, and you can share your clips with other people. Here's some instructional guide here. Here's how you can enable disable clips for your own account, how you can create them, and that's it. So looks like it's pretty straightforward. I'm just gonna get started right away. As you can see here, there's a little pop-up window and it's loading something mysteriously. There we go. So I have a little video in the lower left-hand corner. It says screen share and video. And here I can select my microphone, which is gonna be built in, and my Logitech as usual. And here, take a look. We can have auto, which is 1080p, 720p. Well, 4K recording is not here, but that's okay. I think for the most part, 1080p is sufficient. There's some additional advanced settings as well. Look, you can actually choose your virtual background, and I'm not going to do that right now. You can also choose your different layout. Look at that. I'm going to move it over here. You can see I can appear in, any corners of basically the video I'm recording. So if that looks good, what I can do is simply hit record. All right. Hi, this is Faye, and I'm recording Zoom clips for the first time. I can make changes if needed, but here I have a start and a finish. So I'm going to click on finish. But now, once this is basically being processed, I have a little preview window. All right. Hi, this is Faye, and I'm recording. I can watch all 30 seconds of it. I can immediately share. Well, actually, before I do that, you can see I can change the speed. I can trim it a little bit if I want to. I can give it an emoji at precisely, where I'm witnessing the video. So those are really good for collaboration. Here, I can go ahead and just share it, type in an email, or I can copy the link. Now, if you're familiar with sort of Zoom teams or the people within your team who can access this, I can change it to anyone or anyone at Feisworld Media as the company, or only invited members can access this clip. Then that's pretty much it. I have some comments, I have some stats as total views. So, when I was looking at this, my intention was, oh, this is like a repurpose or like a clip maker. Not quite, but this is a pretty easy way, I would say, for you to record a quick video similar to, things like Loom, or I talk about, Dropbox capture as well. Those are pretty simple. I think in general, when you think about it, it's just really easy that Zoom is already there. Now you can use it for other things. Let's take a look at what edit will entail. So you can change it, the title to demo of Zoom clips, and basically add any descriptions here and even tags. Click on save. That's it. Pretty basic. And the trimming functionality here, I can just do basic things. This is not like an advanced video editor or anything like that. So please let me know in the comments below how you anticipate to use this. Will you replace Loom with this functionality or a new beta version of Clips from Zoom? So you may be wondering, okay, now I just set the video to be able to view via public links. What you're going to get is you are going to get this link and you're able to pop it open in any web browser, and this is what people are seeing, which is really neat and kind of similar to Loom and Dropbox Capture. And you can add any comments here. And not only that, you can actually comment based on the timestamp. For instance, you can move the cursor around and you're able to comment at the specific timestamp. It's really easy. Is it easier to find everything you're looking for? By the way, if you need to find your clips again, simply go to your Zoom app, and if you don't see clips right away, simply click on more and it's going to be embedded in here. Right now, I already have clips already revealed. As I'm moving and resizing the browser, I can still see that, which is really cool. Yeah, if you want to watch anything else, please let me know. Oh, by the way, if you do have those longer Zoom webinars, Zoom videos, Zoom meetings, feel free to check out podintelligence.com because you'll be able to use AI to show you keyword and topic-driven clips automatically created for your content. That's it for now. Bye.